Okay, so guys, I think this is something which is very different, and this is like every time I come up with something productive, with something good to talk about in my manifestation channel, and so this is something different. So, suppose like you're in a situation where you have prayed for your family to accept your recipe just as the way they are, as your husband, as something, all those lovey-dovey things, all those romantic things we think about with our recipe. If that part of your story is already been done, then that means manifesting a love relationship or a marriage relationship with your SP is actually easy, isn't it? Because you have done it. If a part of your story has already been fulfilled, even if it's not in the total unfolding ways, but some part of the way has already been fulfilled, then that means a part of it is done. Then that means you are a very good manifester. You are a very good person who believes in faith, who believes in God, who has believed in the promise of God, right? But if a part of the main person, that is your SP, that is your husband, who you know this person is your husband, is still rejecting you in the 3D in front of other people, saying things like, tell me what to do to break this relation, tell me what to do so that her heart is broken, so that we cannot be together. If this is how this person is behaving, then please stop communicating with this version of the person, because the more you encourage the old version of them, the more you keep cheating on the new version of them. Okay, you don't need to cheat on the new version of them by being with the old version of them, who is non-committal, who is rejected, who is rejecting you in the 3D, who wants to do nothing with you in the 3D, who is talking to your parents or your grandparents or maybe your uncle aunties, telling them that tell me what to do so that she forgets me, she moves on with someone else. Well, that's not what they want, but they're doing it. And why are they doing it? We don't know. We should not know. We should not put our focus on why they are doing all these kinds of things. I know it will be very difficult at times to actually stop questioning, stop telling your mind that please don't question, please just live in the end, please just focus on God, focus on the promise of God. I know it will be very difficult. There are times when you would vent out to your SP about it, but please don't make it a habit. Please vent out on what you want in your life. Please believe on what part of the story you want in your life, because if you keep on reacting to the old and shit news and what they said and what they said not, and there will be people who will be like so the main thing I want to address here is that hear your needs. If you feel hurt, cry about it. If you feel bad, talk to someone about it, or maybe write to diary, write to ChatGPT. Whoever you want to talk, you can. Just don't entertain the older version of them, because the more you entertain the older version of them, the more they will keep on projecting that older version of them onto you, and you don't want the older version of them. You want the version who you know they are capable of being, who is the real them and the real you. So if you want that, you need to entertain only those things which will take you there. So that's it. And there will be times when people would actually tell you, people will come up with different kinds of things. Like they would say that, I think you're just wasting your time, I think you're delusional, I think you're a maniac, I think you're addicted to this person. Bear with it, hear it, hear it from one ear, throw it from the other ear, and forget it, and live in the end, because that's what will lead you to what you want. That's it. Other things will just come and go, that's all. Actually, sometimes what happens, sometimes it is the other people who create the problem, and some of us are stuck in a story wherein our SP itself is creating all the problem, that they don't want to be in the new version of them. Maybe it's not their fault. I'm not saying that it is their fault. Actually, it is maybe they're conditioned that ways. But what we can do is we can be the change for them, so that they can change themselves. And how do we be the change? By being the version of us who is already committed to them, who is already actually living that reality with them. So that's the thing. So you don't have to go and tell people, or be delusional that I am being very, because the more you try to convince people of your point of view, the more you try to explain why you feel this is my truth and why you feel that your SP is lying to others, they will not they will not they will not accept it. If you want to be a loser doing that, please do that. Otherwise, just let things be, let things sort out on its own. That's all I can say. I've been in this journey for a quite long, and I believe I'm a winner because I live that reality with my SP. But to be honest, there's nothing you can do in 3D regarding this situation. Be the change, then things will change.